Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to cancel an order, Amazon. To cancel an Amazon order, you could follow these steps. Open up your Amazon application, log into your account, and click on the menu bar at the bottom right corner of your screen. Click on account from the list and there you go, you have orders at the top. Click that out, after which you just want to go ahead and find the item that you want to cancel. Right now you will be able to find the cancel option if the item hasn't been delivered or shipped yet. In some cases, you might not be able to cancel an order as it might cause some sort of amount or maybe an extra penalty as well. So you have to consider that as well. And then you just want to check the box next to the item to cancel or it, and choose a reason for cancellation from the drop down menu and click on cancel or checked items or request cancellation to complete the process. And this way you'll be able to cancel an order on Amazon. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.